Hey guys, welcome to my channel Accounts Accuracy. Yes, here we are going to know about some tips and tricks for the exam. Exam is near, nothing read so far, nothing to worry. You may go along with these tricks in order to do better in your exam. First of all, don't panic. Yes, you need not to panic. You have prepared for the whole year. It's okay if you have not read everything thoroughly, but still, once if you have heard it either at your tuition or at school, that means somehow, somewhere, everything is there in your mind. If your exam is near, a little bit of revision will change the scenario. First of all, during confusion, because especially in MCQs you face confusion. So first of all, out of 4 options, always cross the wrong options because that only creates confusion. So first of all, try to cross all those which you feel that these options will never be correct. Then you will have less options to choose the best. Yes, I am repeating, your first aim should be to cross those which you feel that they cannot be the correct option. So during confusion, start with every point, read thoroughly, keep crossing the wrong options. Then suppose if you are having 4 options, out of which if you will cross 2 options, then definitely you will be left with rest 2 in which you will be having a little less confusion. Now still, if within 2 options your confusion continues, then during that time choose the best one. Out of the 2, choose the best suited option. By doing this, you will definitely be able to do better and your chances of doing mistakes will be less, as you don't have to show the entire calculation part. Hence, by luck also, you would be able to get marks. And at last, I must say that you practice more and more MCQs. MCQs are available on Google, on YouTube. Every day, chapter wise, try to watch the videos as much as possible based on the chapters of your accounts on MCQs. If you will keep practicing, definitely within a week, I assure you, you will find yourself very confident. And this is how these tricks will help you. Believe me, try to practice rather than thorough reading of your chapters, because even though you have complete knowledge, but still if you will not be facing MCQs more and more, you will never get good marks, because practice only makes a man perfect. As much as practice you will do, that much confident you will be. By reading more and more the same chapter, you will never be confident. Only by practicing and solving papers you will be confident. So that's all. All the best for your exams. And please don't forget to hit the big fat like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.